Dear children, today we are going to learn poem from your 8th standard English book Unit 1 poem Special Hero written by Christina M. Kershen. She was born around 1989. She married Scott J. Mackey on July 12, 2019 in Texas, and she had been residing there in Texas. Let's talk few words about the love as the poet describes the father's love towards a child in this poem. Children, when we were talking about love, I think sometimes we feel happy and sometimes we feel ashamed. But actually, love is complex. It's a mixture of emotions, behaviors, beliefs, affection, protectiveness, warmth, and respect for other persons. When we search or browse about love, we found Greek words describes 7 distinct types of love. Eros, which means passionate. Philia means friendship. Ludas, which is playful. Storge, unconditional or familiar love. Felicia, self-love. Phragma, committed or compassionate. Agapha, empathetic or universal love. But here the poet speaks about the fourth one, storge, that is familiar love, the love between family members like parents and children. Children, can you analyze why dads or fathers are special? In general, I think you do agree with me that dads or fathers had their own unique styles or humor. They have various qualities. Number one, dads are a safe tower because they provide sense of security and safety to children. Number two, dads are strong. They possess an inner strength given or blessed by God Himself. Number three, dads are selfless. They give everything and they want the best for their family. Dads are hard workers. Number five, dads are fearless and brave because they smile even their pain. Number 6, dads love unconditional love and a true guide because they guide their kids on a right path. Number 7, dads are sacrificial and irreplaceable because they give strength of life, they provide a stable foundation for their children. Okay, children, we have studied so much about dads or fathers. But here in this poem, the poet talks about father's love towards her being a female child. Can we just talk why fathers important to daughters? It's because a healthy father and daughter bond plays a key role in the psychological development of daughters. From the moment daughters are born, fathers presents love and support, help the daughters develop a strong sense of self-confidence, positive self-esteem, and decision-making abilities. These daughters grow into happy and successful adults in future. Let's get started in a poem. This poem, Special Hero, is about the father's love towards a child. As we already learned, the poet describes her father's love and care towards her and calls him as a special hero. Can we know why the poet calling her dad a special hero? A research in the year 2010 revealed the people identify their heroes are more likely to put a positive spin and negative events. They live by values and they take any risk to protect the value in general hero in a person who is special achievement abilities of personal qualities regarded as a role model or ideal from the moment of poets, but she has been experienced in her father love, care and kindness and admire his extraordinary ways of living, comforting and providing safety. There is a reason she calls a special hero. See, we should everybody respect our fathers because they love much more in this world. They do everything to in our life without any expectation. That is the father love. Okay, children, let's read the first stanza. When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt the love and tenderness, keeping me safe from harm. The first stanza talks about the protection or the safety that she got from her father as a baby or as a child. The protection included the love and tenderness which no one could give on this earth other than her own father. Here in this stanza, the poet expressed that her father would hold her in his arms to keep away from hurting herself, like falling, sleeping, stumbling, etc. And the poet also explained that she never gave chance for others harm her by keeping her in his arms. So, father is special to everybody's life. So, we should respect our fathers because he do everything without any expectation. Okay, let's move stanza second. I would look up into your eyes and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. In this stanza, she expresses the unbreakable bond that she has with her father. She says that his eyes revealed love. By looking at her father's eyes, she used to get everything she needed because love is a something providing or sharing not only materially but also emotionally. That is the reason the poet feels excited that she was so lucky to have such a chosen father on her side. Here, the poet says that her father loving very much to her daughter. So, because we should respect our father. Let's move stanza number 3. There is something special about the father's love. Seems it was sent to me from someplace above. The poet confessed in the stanza 3 that her father is sent from above means referred to God. So here she compares to father's love to the internal love of God. She says that father's love is just like God's love because we have no words or we fall short of words to explain God's love towards humanity. Is so with father's love, she says here. This might be the reason she would have said that he was the dad chosen for me. Here the poet compared her dad to the God. In the third stanza. Let's move to fourth stanza. You should read the poem along with me. Keep your textbook with you. Our love is everlasting. I just wanted you to know that you are my special hero and I wanted to tell you so. In the fourth stanza, the poet is false that there is the love between the poet and her father is for everlasting, which means it's beyond the days of lifetime. Here, she calls her father as a special hero. Why does she call him a special hero? As you already studied, is because she found that he was the only one who ensured our protection in all means of our life, understood and emotional materials needs before she could demand or ask and fulfilled all of them to her. And also he reveals the spotless of fearless love and care without any returns or expectations like God. He has been a good role model whom she could really imitate without any fear or doubt. Hence, the poet wishes to declare all this openly to the readers. how much her father means to her in all the days of childhood life. So, dear children, love your parents, especially love your father, because they go through lots of struggles and hardships, problems, and they try hard all the time to keep you happy and safe. So, it's our duty to respect, to obey our parents as a good children. So, dear children, try to obey your parents and listen to their words and do modify in your life in their own ways. So, you should respect your parents. Dear children, I request you always in the school days also, you should respect your parents, then obey their rules. Okay, dear children, I think you understood this poem.